Hi, my name is Kevin and I'd like to audition for the position that you posted. I shot this video to show you that I can speak English. You won't have any problems with my grammar or accent. I can be your point person for all online communications. I work as a project manager and I handle a small team of web developers. I previously handled a marketing support team. We translated sales content from English to Spanish. We edited websites, photos, videos, and other digital products. I also worked as a virtual assistant. I'm a content writer for different CrossFit websites. I also worked as a technical support representative for one of the top US internet providers. Anyway, the best way to evaluate me for the position is by talking to me. I look forward to hearing from you. I also understand you're busy, may not have enough time to reply. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day ahead and God bless. Bye-bye.